The AC condenser is to cool down the hot refrigerant gas and turn it into a liquid. You'll typically find the AC condenser at the front of the car, positioned just in front of the radiator. The first symptom of a problem with the AC condenser is warm air blowing from the AC vents. This can occur when the fins on the condenser become dirty or clogged with debris. In more severe cases, the fins may be bent, preventing proper airflow. When airflow is restricted, the condenser cannot effectively dissipate heat, leading to the AC system blowing warm air. The second symptom is a refrigerant leak. If the condenser tubes become worn out or damaged, refrigerant can escape. Performing a visual inspection is the best way to detect signs of leakage. However, leaks can sometimes be difficult to spot. Third symptom is frozen condenser. If the refrigerant levels are too low, the evaporator coil can freeze, leading to a frozen condenser. This can drastically reduce cooling efficiency. Last symptom is electrical failures. Problems with the electrical components, like the pressure switch or wiring connected to the condenser, can stop it from operating properly. Of course, the AC condenser isn't the only part of the system that can cause issues. This component right here can also play a role. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.